Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Call of Duty Mobile with an Xbox controller on your iPhone. First, make sure your Xbox wireless controller is fully charged and powered on. Next, navigate to your iPhone settings and tap on Bluetooth. Now, press and hold the small pairing button on the top of your Xbox controller for about 3 seconds until the Xbox button starts flashing rapidly. Finally, select your controller from the list of available devices on your iPhone screen to establish the connection. Once your Xbox controller is successfully paired with your iPhone, launch Call of Duty Mobile. Inside the game, tap the gear icon to open the settings menu. Look for the controller tab, which should now be accessible. Here, you can fine-tune your gameplay experience. Adjust button layouts to your liking, modify aiming sensitivity, and even invert controls if that suits your style. Experiment with these options to find the perfect setup for your mobile combat. To truly optimize your gameplay, spend some time in Call of Duty Mobile's training modes. This helps you get comfortable with the controller's feel and button mapping. Remember, the game's matchmaking system often pairs controller players with other controller users, ensuring fair competition. Take advantage of the haptic feedback for a more immersive experience, feeling every shot and explosion. For longer sessions, ensure your iPhone has ample battery or is connected to a power source. Encountering issues? First, try restarting both your iPhone and your Xbox controller. This often resolves minor glitches. Always ensure your iPhone's operating system is updated to its latest version, as this can improve compatibility. It's also a good idea to check for any available firmware updates for your Xbox controller, which can enhance performance. Finally, if you experience lag or disconnections, try disconnecting other Bluetooth devices to minimize potential interference during your intense gaming sessions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.